stalls. The mud is so sloppy. You can't hear it. Very sloppy. Use that rag over there. Woo! You ready, girlfriend? You hungry? Everybody's soaking wet. Welcome back to Crazy Life. Horses look nice and clean after all this rain. I'll show you around. Lots of noises happening. The Scream Queen. What are you doing barking? What are you doing barking? You have a job? Get a job. Get a job. Not easy to do with one hand. Today we get to fill water. Clean a couple of buckets. There's the bug doing her thing. Sorry about all the loud noises. This is all that rain we had. Now there are swales. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a swale. And they run all the way through the field. So there's a lot of captured water. Look at this pathetic queen right here. I'm pathetic. I'm just one big water spot. But it's good for her. Gets all her natural oils out. So she'll dry off. Go check our pans. See if I can not slip into your stall. Ooh, we're slipping already. We got quite a bit. We got about an inch of rain. Excuse me. Can I get past you? What is that? You want to do it again? Yeah, do it again. My curly hair, mommy. See all my curly hair? I got curly hair. Yeah. So their coats are nice and thick. Probably didn't even get to their hides. Mr. Pathetic out there. Like I said, you can see his fuzz. They're all fluffed up, but they're all looking good. This one too. Oh, she's gonna give me a side view. You gonna give me a side view? What's that in her hand? What's that in her hand? She ain't gonna hurt you with it. Oh, she ain't gonna hurt you with it. There you go. Good girl. You fogging up the lens? Good girl. Alright. How come you always end up with the two buckets? Something I never understood. She always ends up with two buckets. You want some water? You want some water? No? Okay. Scoot. Scoot. Look out. Well, there ain't no helping it. There's water all over the place. Oh, nuts. Take the good with the bad, right, Duke? Figures. Okay. Oh, see if I can not slip and slide out of the stalls. The mud is so sloppy. You can't hear it. Very sloppy. that rag over there. Woo! Just a muddy mess. So, let's see what we got. Come on. Oh. All right. Now they're all gonna fuss because they know what time it is. Let's get some buckets set up. Okay, some of these horses are pissed. They're hungry. Give me some food, Mama. I want some food. Come on. Come on. You have to get out of the way. You have to get out of the way. I don't want to get hurt. Come on, let's go. All right. It is a muddy mess. All right, sister. Now I have to get her board up, so let me get that done. prevented most of this from getting wet. So that's good. Okay, time to take care of the water. I said I was going to knock these buckets over, so let's do that now before the rain starts. The sun is out. There's sun out somewhere. And it's not so bad with the clouds. It was raining earlier today, but it's a nice 65 degrees out here. It's really nice. So I have no complaints. They're all comfortable eating their hay. Now they come looking for their cubes.